Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be doing a double unboxing of my Young Living loyalty orders. So these orders are from October and November. Things have been really busy around here with the holidays and things like that, so I am a little bit behind, but I thought I'd still share these boxes with you. In addition to my 2 loyalty orders, I also have a loyalty points order where I spent some of my points to get some free items. So real quick, for those of you who don't know, Young Living is an essential oil company. I like to think of them as a health and wellness company because they have more than just essential oils. They have household cleaning products, they have nutritional items and supplements and personal care products. They have items that are designed for women, men, children, babies, and even your pets. So I participate in their loyalty orders program, and so each month I am committed to spending at least $50 in Young Living products, and so I go in each month and I change up my orders to get the things that I need for my home. And that's usually a combination of essential oils, household cleaning, and personal care products and supplements and things like that. So we're going to start with my October order first. So since I've been doing Young Living for so long, my orders tend to be a little bit smaller, and I'm really just ordering the things that I need to have replenished that I'm running out of and things like that. So let's see what I got. I have my packing slip. So first off in this box, the first thing I see is the Art Gentle Cleanser. And so this is an item that I use as part of my daily facial skincare routine. And so I usually have to get one of these about every other month. And so I will rotate between the Art Gentle Cleanser and the Art Refreshing Toner, and that keeps me stocked for those products. So from what I understand, ART stands for Age Refining Technology. And so I love this cleanser. It has some really good essential oils in it. So it says, Art Gentle Cleanser cleanses the skin with a soft, gentle lather. Infused with skin-loving essential oils, your face will feel clean and refreshed with a renewed, radiant look. It has frankincense, royal Hawaiian sandalwood, lemon, lavender, and Melissa essential oils. And so I really love this product, and like I said, I only order it about once every other month. Next, I have something that I was running low on, and that is the Breathe Again Roll-On. And so Young Living has essential oils, but they also have like 10 milliliter essential oil roll-ons. And so the Breathe Again one is a great one for if you need additional respiratory support and things like that. And there have been a lot of things going around lately, and so I thought I would go ahead and order another Breathe Again essential oil roll-on because I was going through the one that I had and it was almost empty. So let me read to you from the book what it says about the Breathe Again essential oil roll-on. All right, so it says, Breathe Again Roll-On features 4 types of eucalyptus essential oils, including eucalyptus blue, which is distilled at their farm in Ecuador. And so what I love about the roll-ons is that they're already diluted and ready to be applied. It contains coconut oil, eucalyptus stegerana, eucalyptus globulus, eucalyptus radiata, eucalyptus blue, laurus nobilis, peppermint, copaiba, myrtle, blue cypress, and rosehip. And it says apply generously to chest and neck as desired. And so when I need a little extra respiratory support, that's what I do. I apply it to my chest before I go to bed, and that seems to help quite a bit. That's a good one for fall and winter. Next is my husband's favorite. It is a Shutran Beard Oil. And so I put one of these in my order each month because he usually goes through one a month. And so I love the smell of this because it has the Shutran essential oil blend in it, and it smells really nice. He loves the way that it makes his beard look. It gives his beard a nice look after he has finished showering and things like that. So let me read to you about the Shutran essential oil blend so you'll know what this smells like. All right, so the Shutran essential oil blend contains Idaho blue spruce, ocotea, ylang ylang, hinoki, coriander, davana, lavender, cedarwood, lemon, northern lights black spruce. And so it just smells really nice. Young Living has a whole line of Shutran products that are designed for men, and so they have the essential oil, they have a body wash, they have an aftershave lotion, a bar soap, the beard oil, and a shave cream. That is a product that my husband really, really likes. And so lastly in my box, I did get a 3-pack of the Thieves hand sanitizer, and I love these to put in my purse. They're small, they're 1 ounce size. It does look like they are reformulating the package, so I have 2 that look like this, and this is what I'm used to getting, and then this one. But they are all 1 ounce bottles of the Waterless hand sanitizer. And so it says that it contains peppermint oil and moisturizing aloe, and like I said, these are just really nice to throw in your purse to have on hand. All right, so that was my October order. Let's see what I got in my November order. And again, I have my packing slip. Gonna set that to the side. And the first thing that I see in my November order was another item that I got to help support my respiratory system. And so I love these Easy Breeze Awakening Shower Steamers, but there are 4 of these in the package. It says the crisp, effervescent scent of peppermint and eucalyptus essential oils combine to drift through warm shower steam, filling your shower with a rejuvenating aroma. Easy Breeze Awakening Shower Steamers infuse your morning with an invigorating, luxurious spa-like experience. And so the directions say to place 1 shower steamer on the shower floor or a shelf where it gets wet but is outside the main water stream. Breathe in the fragrant scented steam for an amazing at-home aromatic experience. And so I do love these. The main essential oils are peppermint and eucalyptus globulus. And this does have a very strong scent to it. I've tried the Citrus Fresh ones, but I prefer the Easy Breeze ones to the Citrus Fresh. They're both nice, but this one has a stronger scent, and I really like how it helps support my respiratory system when I need that extra support. So the next thing in my box is something that I order every month to help support my immune system and respiratory system. As a teacher, I need all the extra support that I can get, and that is a supplement. It is the Inner Defense Essential Oil Supplement. And so it says that it has 30 soft gels, and it says immune system support formulated with Thieves. And so this is a supplement that I take each night with my other medications, and it just helps to keep me, above the wellness line, healthy and well. Let me read to you what's in the Inner Defense supplement. All right, so it says Inner Defense contains Young Living's Thieves Essential Oil Blend, which is rich in thymol, carvacrol, and eugenol for immune support. It recommends taking 1 soft gel daily in the morning or 1 soft gel 3 to 5 times daily when stressed. For best results, use Life 9 Probiotic 8 hours later. So I just take 1 each evening to help support my immune system. So other than the Thieves blend, it does have what they call the Inner Defense Super Blend, and it contains things like oregano and extra essential oils that are great for supporting the immune system and the respiratory system. So this is just a good one to have. And then I have some tubes, and tubes usually mean essential oils. Aha. But in this case, again, it's a Shutran Beard Oil, so my husband will be happy to have that because when he runs out, he will get into my boxes and steal the Shutran Beard Oil. And then I have 1 other tube, and in this tube I got a Thieves Essential Oil Blend, and I love this one because I will diffuse Thieves every night in my family's diffusers because I think it helps support our health and wellness. I love the smell of Thieves. It's a great fall and winter scent, but we use it all year round, like I said, to support our health and wellness. Let me read to you what's in the Thieves Essential Oil Blend. So Thieves contains cloves, cinnamon bark, rosemary, lemon, and eucalyptus radiata. And so when I first got into essential oils, Thieves was one of them that I was like really drawn to. I think it just smells like Christmas in a bottle, and I love the smell of it. So it smells great, and it helps support our health and wellness. And then the last thing I have is just a staple for me. I love the orange essential oil. It blends well with everything that I will put in my diffusers. So this is one of those essential oils that I use for my spring, my summer, my fall, my winter diffuser blends. So this is just one of those essential oils that blends well with everything like Thieves. It goes well with peppermint, clove, Northern Lights black spruce. It's just a good one to blend with everything. Right now, with it being December, I am diffusing this a lot with Christmas spirit, and I love it. And so that was my November order. And then we're gonna look at my loyalty points order. So what I love about participating in the loyalty orders is that I get to bank points back. So I get 25% back in points on whatever I spend. And so that means that I get at least $25 back in loyalty points each month that I can put towards free items from Young Living. So for this loyalty points order, I decided to get a couple essential oils that were great for fall and winter that I was running low on, and then I also got something else. So again, my husband is going to be happy because I did get him another beard oil, and actually I got 2 of them in this box, and this is one of those boxes that he got into and stole one of the beard oils. So he's going to be really happy to have some of his beard oil stocked back up. And then I have a small tube with some essential oils. And the first one that I got was cinnamon bark. Now cinnamon bark is an essential oil single, so there's nothing but cinnamon bark in here. This is a great one for your pumpkin spice diffuser blends. I've had a cranberry citrus diffuser blend that I've been diffusing a lot lately that has cinnamon bark in it. And so it is a little bit pricey, so I thought I'd use some of my points on it, but I'm glad to have cinnamon bark because I was getting low. And then another one, this one is definitely something I've been using more in the fall and the winter, and that is vanilla. And so when you think of fall and you think of winter, vanilla is a great one to have. So this is another one that I've been diffusing with my diffuser blends, and so I thought I would get that one. It is a bit pricey, so spending my loyalty points is a great way to get this one. And so those are my loyalty orders for October and November, plus some free items through my loyalty points. I will be coming back with you guys real soon to do my December order, and I spent some more loyalty points. That's what I love about banking those points. I can go in every couple of months and get some free products, and I love that. All right, guys, I am going to leave my referral link in the description box below. If you're interested in trying any of these products, you can click on that link and you can order some. Also, if you have any questions about Young Living, please let me know in the comments boxes below. I'm here to help if you have any questions. And until next time, bye guys.